is a treasure cat, and that's why. Pig! They all can, and most of them do. You don't know much, and that's a fact. If everyone minded their own business, the world would go around a great deal faster than it does. Talking of axes, chop off a head! Ugh, don't bother me. I can never abide figures. Speak roughly to your little boy and beat him when he sneezes. He only does to annoy because he knows it teases. You know it. I must go and get ready to play croquet. Oh.